The 2018 Jeep Compass. The Jeep Compass has a solid, sophisticated 16-valve engine. It features electronic variable valve timing that continually changes the torque curve, bringing more versatility to the 165 peak pound-feet of torque and more capability to the 172 peak horsepower. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, keyless entry, power liftgate, steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, remote engine start, backup camera, Bluetooth, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, keyless start, floor mats, cruise control, front-wheel drive. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.